In today's video, we will reveal the amazing health benefits of resveratrol you wish you knew a long time ago. Without further ado, let's get started with this interesting nutrient right away. The skin of grapes, as well as the skin of certain other fruits and plants, as well as red wine, contain a natural compound called resveratrol. It has recently been the subject of a significant amount of scientific research, and it was discovered to have a variety of positive effects on one's health. According to several studies, resveratrol can help reduce inflammation, protect against cardiovascular disease and diabetes, and even slow down the natural aging process. Additionally, there is speculation that it may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and fight microbes. Because it has a variety of positive effects on health, resveratrol is gaining a lot of traction among people who are concerned about their well-being. Resveratrol is becoming now widely available in supplement form, and it is also currently being added to a wide variety of food products. This makes obtaining the health benefits of resveratrol a simple and delectable process. What is resveratrol? The skin of grapes, as well as the skin of certain other fruits and plants, as well as red wine, contain a natural compound called resveratrol. It has recently been the subject of a significant amount of scientific studies, and it was discovered to have a variety of positive effects on one's health. According to several studies, resveratrol can help reduce inflammation, protect against cardiovascular disease and diabetes, and even slow down the natural aging process. Resveratrol and inflammation. It has been discovered that resveratrol can inhibit COX-2 enzyme. Inflammation and the development of some forms of cancer are both caused by the enzyme called COX-2, which also plays a role in the development of these diseases. COX-2 inhibitors are widely utilized in the pharmaceutical industry as analgesics, including in non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. It is believed that the COX-2 inhibitor found in resveratrol is less likely to have the potential to cause harmful side effects than the COX-2 inhibitors that are found in certain prescription drugs that can cause serious side effects. Studies suggest that in addition to inhibiting COX-2, resveratrol may also be able to inhibit NF-kappa B. NF-kappa B is a protein that activates genes that are involved in the inflammatory response. It is believed that these two possible modes of action are responsible for the anti-inflammatory effects of resveratrol. Resveratrol and heart health. High blood pressure is a significant contributor to the development of cardiovascular disease, which is one of the leading causes of death in a number of countries. Studies have shown that resveratrol is capable of significantly lowering blood pressure in both humans and animals, which suggests that it may have therapeutic potential for treating high blood pressure. It has also been discovered that resveratrol can lower the risk of other heart disease risk factors. For instance, research has shown that resveratrol can lower LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol, which can cause plaque to form in the arteries and raise the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, it can raise HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol, which can assist in the removal of excess cholesterol from the arteries. Resveratrol and diabetes. Diabetes is a condition in which the body struggles to regulate the amount of sugar that is present in the blood. If the levels of glucose in the blood are not kept under control with medication, this could result in serious complications to the patient's health. Studies on the effects of resveratrol on blood sugar levels have been studied, and many of these studies have suggested that resveratrol may be beneficial for diabetics. Anti-aging benefits of resveratrol. The process of aging is linked to a variety of changes in the body, the most notable of which are a loss of function and an increase in the likelihood of developing disease. Several studies have indicated that the compound resveratrol may have anti-aging effects. One study, for instance, discovered that taking a daily dose of resveratrol significantly reduced the amount of free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, tissues, and DNA. It is common knowledge that older people have higher levels of free radicals, and it is this damage that can lead to the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and a decreased elasticity of the skin. Resveratrol and cancer. Researchers have found that resveratrol, particularly when mixed with various other antioxidants and nutrients, may have the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. For instance, a recent study found that the combination of resveratrol and vitamin E, had a very powerful anti-cancer effect on liver cells. According to the findings of another study, resveratrol had the ability to inhibit the growth of colorectal cancer cells in mice. Resveratrol is thought to be beneficial for preventing and treating cancer due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that it possesses. This belief is shared by a large number of people. Antimicrobial properties of resveratrol. The bacteria that are responsible for the common cold, tuberculosis, and typhoid, as well as the bacteria that live in the human gut, have all been shown to be susceptible to the antibacterial effects of resveratrol. It is believed that the ability of resveratrol to interfere with the reproduction process of bacteria and other microbes is what gives this compound its antimicrobial properties. For example, an in vitro study showed that resveratrol inhibited the reproduction of E. coli bacteria in mice. Another study found that resveratrol disrupted the reproduction of S. cerevisiae, which is the fungus responsible for the fermentation of wine. Resveratrol supplements. Resveratrol is becoming more and more widely available as a dietary supplement. This makes obtaining the beneficial effects of resveratrol in a way that is more convenient for an active lifestyle. There are products containing natural extracts from the grape, while others contain pure synthetic resveratrol. Like with many vitamins and minerals, there are some studies that suggest that consuming synthetic resveratrol is not as healthy as using it in its natural forms. It's possible that natural resveratrol will cause fewer negative side effects than its synthetic counterpart. Foods that are rich in resveratrol. Red wine, peanuts, raspberries, and blueberries are just some of the foods that contain a high concentration of the antioxidant resveratrol. Because the quantity of resveratrol contained in these products differs according to the variety of grape or berry used, it is best to check the labels or speak with a nutritionist in order to determine the precise amount of resveratrol contained in each product. Consuming foods rich in resveratrol rather than taking resveratrol supplements may have the added benefit of providing additional health benefits beyond those offered by the supplements. There is a strong possibility that resveratrol is one of the most effective ways for us to reduce our blood pressure, boost our immune system, and prevent certain types of cancer. Did you learn something new about the nutrient called resveratrol today? Please feel free to comment down below.